Laila, nakikita ko dito sa listahan, ano ha? Lahat itong mga andi dito, mga re-electionists, kayo lang ang nakapasok, you are new. What do you say to that?
Well, I'd like to attribute that siguro po dahil sa naging high visibility ko noon. Mula pa ho nung nasa CHR ako and then sa DOJ, palagi ho akong nababalita. So, kilala po ako ng mga tao. I have a very high awareness and siguro naman high appreciation by most people dun po sa ginagawa ko.
Okay. The latest na ginawa mo, you were appointed to the CHR by Gloria.
The former president.
And then Pinoy appointed you to the Department of Justice. What do you think made up his mind to appoint you? Because you're not a kamag-anak, you're not a kaibigan, you're not a kabaril.
As far as I could remember, nung kinausap niya po ako noon bago in-announce yung pag-appoint sa akin na Secretary of Justice, ang sinasabi niya po noon, I don't really know you that much, but from what I have seen, dun sa naging performance mo sa Commission on Human Rights.
Okay.
And dahil siguro mga 2 beses kami noon nagkasama, sabi niya he was able to observe me na how tough I am in handling matters. And naalala ko po ang sinabi po niya noon, I imagine you to be my Elliot Ness.
Really?
The Untouchables. Ang sabi niya, kasi ako daw ho yung tipong kahit konti lang kasama, kahit
Susugod ka pa rin.
Sugod at sugod.
You stopped INC in its tracks. Sinabi mo, mali ang ginagawa nila. What did that statement do to your campaign?
Siguro ho, we can refer dun sa 2 issues o 2 insidente na involving yung INC na nagkaroon ako ng posisyon or statements. Yung una nga po, yung pagsampa ng kaso ng isang former minister, yung expelled minister, si Mr. Samson. Na doon nag-umpisa yung parang hindi pagkakaunawaan dahil akala ho nila I went out of my way, nagbigay ako ng special treatment sa isang complainant. Pero hindi naman ho totoo yun. So, I think it triggered that series of protest rallies. Pero nahinto naman ho yun dahil siguro nakita nila na hindi totoo yung mga nababalita o yung mga paniniwala
hindi
nila.
ba pumunta pa sila sa Department of Justice, nagkukon sila na you were against the religious freedom?
Opo, na hindi
nangyari?
naman ho totoo yun. Doon yung insidente po yun, naano po ako doon, nagagalak po ako, or it was really very humbling for me because marami naman hong mga netizens na nag-express.
Defended you?
Yes, opo. The second case was tungkol naman po sa naging statement ko dun sa pagkakaaresto kay Mr. Menorca. Base ho kasi sa nakita ko, lalo na yung paggamit ng hindi naka-uniformadong police para mag-effect nung warrant na yon for libel against Menorca. Irregular po yon.
Is it true that the INC wanted you removed from this Department of Justice? Is it true?
Narinig ko po yon nung kasagsagan nga ho nung krisis na yon na nag-stage sila ng protest rallies. Pero wala naman ho silang public statement about that. Narinig ko lang, but as to whether totoo po yon, hindi ko po alam.